Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix SSL pending error on Shopify store. First fix, try to check and fix the DNS records. If you purchased your domain directly from Shopify, you normally won't face SSL problems. Just log into your domain provider's dashboard and go to your DNS management or zone editor section. Check if your DNS records match the Shopify settings. Correct the records for Shopify 23.227.38.65. CNAME and record for www is shops.myshopify.com. These records types can block SSL activation on Shopify. Do not use IPv6 records. Shopify only supports IPv4 and CAA records. These can resist or restrict certificate insurance and interfere with HTTPS setup. So just a tip, you should have only one A record pointing to Shopify's IP. Multiple A records can also trigger SSL errors. Also, if you recently added a new custom domain, Shopify may need to verify domain ownership to activate SSL. And finally, after fixing DNS and verifying an ownership, SSL activation can take a few hours, up to 48 hours. You'll get to know when it's active when the padlock appears next to your store URL. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks like this.